it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you what I class as a kit done. Okay, so I've been getting the Citrus Twist kits since May. I've just completed a layout, but I happen to use the June kit. So while I do try and use the most recent one, I will then occasionally go back, depending on colours, to earlier ones. Now, these pouches, this pouch is a Studio Calico pouch because Citrus Twist only started using them, I think, in July. So I did pop a couple of my older kits into these just so I could keep them all together. But anyway, I have decided after using this kit to create a layout that I'm going to class it as done. And there's a few different reasons for that. A lot of it is I've actually attacked the die cuts. The die cuts now, I feel I'd really struggle to have options for a page. Also, I seem to have bashed the papers and the cards a lot more than I thought. So to move the other little embellishments out the way for now, I have things like this card that I've punched stuff out of, so that's gonna go. I do have a couple of little circles that I did punch with pink circles when trying layouts. Oh, got a couple of die cuts out the way. But the papers in this were 6x6, and I do feel now as though I can't get any sort of Project Life cards out of them. And, you know, while they'd be good for punches, I'm not going to get much out of it. Even this card, I've punched the sentiment out the middle. So what I'm actually going to do with the likes of these, some people may call this bad, and I do have, how many do I have? I have 4 3x4 cards left and 1 4x6 of the actual cards. That's my little wallet that I was keeping all those multitudes of embellishments, and I'm down to a few bits and the cut apart sheets. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to see if I have any that are classed as card sizes. So I do have a feeling from cutting this out that I may, yeah, I'm not going to get what you class as a 4x6 out of this anymore, but I will get a 3x4. So I've managed to get a 3x4 out of that paper. And then this paper, is that a 4-inch? A 3-inch, sorry? Yes, it is. So I've managed to get a 3x4 out of there. And then the rest of these papers, they're all too thin to even think about getting a 3x4 or 4x6 card out of it, along with these bits. And then of course I've got some punch bits, and you know what, I'm gonna get rid of this. As much as many people have a scraps box for when they need that little pop of colour, I don't. The reason being is when I scrapbook, I tend to scrap with collections, and when I work with kits, I tend to keep them as kits until they get to this point. So, shock horror, that's going to go. Binned. So, I now have a few that will work as 3x4 cards, and I'm going to keep them like that, and a 4x6, and I'm going to pop them in with my selections for when I do work on separate cards. I've got my stamps. I have 5 different leatherette stickers. Now this one I don't think I will ever use because I'm not a cat person, but I can see these being used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these up on my pegboard where I have things that I want to try to use up, and I'll just see if they fit in with anything else. I've got an alphabet that's still got some left, so that will go into my alphabet stash. And then I have some tiny word stickers. I have quite a few of those left. There's still a few that I think I may well use, so again I'll pop them up on my pegboard with these stickers and try and get them used as time goes on. that's those. And then lastly, the die cuts. Now we do have a few wooden arrows. That was one of the embellishments, and we did get absolutely loads of these. So what I'm personally going to do with these is, many of you may have seen in an earlier video, if I can get hold of them, I do have this leaf dish that has a couple of packs that I also got from Citrus Twist with little wooden pieces, cork pieces that had been in previous kits, and I like that as a little selection when I can't find what I'm looking for in the kit. So I'm going to pop those in there and they can stay on my desk. And then for the embellishments, or the die cut pieces, things like this that's only got half, that's going to go now, because we don't need that. And then I actually have in here, mixed in here, the cut apart sheets as well as actual die cuts. And a lot of these are cream based, which I think is what I will struggle with using. However, I'm not going to write them off just yet. What I'm going to do, if I can find it, is I have a little tub from IKEA. I have a few of these on my desk, but this is going to become my Citrus Twist kit tub, and I'm just going to pop those in there, and that's just going to sit on my desk to be used as and when. But I think with that kit I've done rather well, so I do think it is time to say bye-bye to Citrus Twist kit for June. I'm not sure how many layouts I've got out of it. I could probably, in fact, let's have a quick look on my channel. So if you're interested in what I actually got created with this kit, I do have playlists for every Citrus Twist kit, and when I do use that kit, I will tend to pop it in with that playlist as well, just in case people want ideas for a certain kit they've got. And then I do an unboxing video as well. So having a look on my playlist, with the one I have just done, I have created 11 Project Life spreads for 2017 with this one kit. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. To me, that is classed as a winner. So this kit is saying bye-bye. Thank you for everybody who watches and subscribes so they can see what I do create with these kits. Give these a go. If you do Project Life, I mean, if you have a look on that said playlist, there is a huge variety of different layouts that I've done. Occasionally I have pulled in maybe another kit or an element of another kit and sort of mix them a little bit, but more often than not it is just the goodies from these, and I think the variety is really good. I don't feel as though my album is feeling samey. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please hit subscribe. I try and upload about every third day. Occasionally something in life throws me off, like an illness, which has thrown me off recently, but I do try and get these ready for you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.